Welcome to Silvertree. Let's get you set up with your new Silvertree Reach. To get started, you'll need 3 things: a smart device, an iPhone, an Android, or you can use an Apple iPad, your Silvertree Reach, and preferably a strong Wi-Fi connection. First, download the Silvertree app from your smart device's app store. Now you can open the Silvertree app on your phone. Let's create your Silvertree login. Your login is complete. No password necessary. Let's create your profile. Make sure to grant Silvertree permissions to unlock all of the Silvertree features. If you are wearing the Reach, check the box here so that we know you are the Reach wearer. Great, your profile is now set up. Now we can invite your care team to join you in Silvertree. Your first contact you add will be your in case of an emergency contact. Before you send an invitation, it's always a good idea to let your loved one know first so they'll know to look out for a text or an email from Silvertree. The invitation will show as not accepted until your care partner accepts the invitation that was sent to them. You can invite as many care partners as you'd like. You're now ready to pair your Reach. Let's unbox your Silvertree Reach. There's a pull tab to make it easier to open the box. Get ready to pair your Reach with the Silvertree app. Plug in the charging cord into the charging dock. Plug the charging cord into the charging brick plug. And now you could plug in the charging brick into an outlet. Once your charging dock is plugged in, we can get ready to pair. When you see a blue light blinking, you are now ready to pair your Reach. Your Reach is now connected to the Silvertree app.